Using Bend Rig in Alias to create bended mesh design. After completed mesh pattern. First, you must duplicate the pattern into the quantity and direction based on the design. In this case, I needed 12 meshes in a -y direction, 40 millimeters. Now you can see your mesh in a straight line. Next, we will duplicate a guide curve from a base front grille. Do not forget to attach curves into one. First, select your mesh pattern. You should group them first, then select a guide curve. Now you can see that your mesh will bend and align with a guide curve. Then you can rotate and translate into a correct orientation. Now select your guide curve to adjust to the position that match your design need. As that simple. Thank you, and let's enjoy creating.